So what I'm using to wash my brush and my beauty blenders are antibacterial soap from the Dollar Tree, or sometimes if I don't have that, I'll use dishwashing liquid. And I sanitize the face basin already, and I just like stuck the hole so the soap don't go right through. And then I just pour some soap on the surface and rub the beauty blender, like squeeze the beauty blender, squeeze. That's how you're gonna get it out. Rinse it out and then start squeezing again. And then for the brushes, I just swipe the brushes on the soap in the surface until I don't see any makeup at all when I swipe it. And that's pretty much how I clean my brushes and my beauty blender. So I know they have like brush cleaners, like this specific gritty thing you can put them on. Like, why do that when you have a face basin? You know, like, I mean, if you clean it, if you don't clean it, then that's different. And yeah, so let me know how you clean your brushes and what do you use, like what kind of soap or whatever. I think I'm gonna have an updated video for this because I see a product that a makeup artist like used to do hers, and I think I'm gonna get it. It's I think it starts with M. So stay tuned for that video, guys, and let me know what you do. So guys, this is a brush demo that I was talking about, how I clean the brushes specifically.